In this video, I'm going to be doing a little bit of organization. So if you're interested in finding out what I'm doing, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, I am Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below. A bell will appear. Click that bell and then click all. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And while you're here, give your girl a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you a thing to give me a thumbs up, but it will help my channel. Also, comment and share my videos. Now, today I am participating in an open invitation collaboration. Now, I'm going to read my notes to make sure I get everything correctly. The title of this collaboration is the Spring Clean With Me series, a closet or a pantry. Now, it's hosted by a wonderful YouTube sister of mine, Kimberly of Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Now, if you're not familiar with Kimberly's channel, I will have the link to her channel along with the playlist down below in the description when it becomes available. Now, she has simple rules. All she asks that you clean your closet or your pantry for spring. Simple. And she asks that you use the hashtag, which I will scroll across the screen. Hashtag Spring Clean With Me Closet 2020 DDOAD. Also, she asks that you be a subscriber to her channel, mention her channel in your video, and also include her channel link and the playlist link in your description box. And she asks that you have fun. So if you're interested in seeing what I came up with for this challenge, you know what to do. Keep watching. Okay, here is the section I'm going to clean in my closet, which will be this shelf down here. I need to rearrange that because I have more cleaning products down there, and I need to move those copper trays back there, the ones with the glitter. I need to move those and put them up with the rest of the chargers up there, but I'm going to make sure I put them on the top so they don't get messed up. So I'm going to arrange that shelf and get that shelf in order. So here we go. Now I have all the linen sprays lined up together and my 2 extra spray bottles and the other things on that shelf straightened. That was the only problem area I was having because I put some trays there that shouldn't have been there. So now that's all cleaning and freshening products on that shelf. So I think now I can see what's in here and I'm better organized on that row. And this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me saying, thank you for watching and you be blessed.